Hello everyone, this is my review of the Wobble Wag Wiggle Ball for dogs. First thing I noticed about this ball is that it's very durable. It's very tough, so if your dog likes to chew through its toys and destroy them, they will have a hard time doing that with this, but it will last them a long time. It also makes a noise when they toss it around or you roll it around on the ground. As you can see, the sound that the ball makes already piques my dog's interest, so she's wanting to check it out, to play with it a bit. It doesn't require any batteries or anything. The noise is made from a mechanism inside the ball. You can take it apart or anything. It doesn't break apart. It's extremely durable. You can play fetch with your dog and for hours with it, and they're pretty much like it because the noise will keep them occupied and make them want to chew on it. And when they chew on it, it can help them clean their teeth or strengthen their teeth. So that's a good thing for the dog and keep them off of your shoes and your furniture and all the other things they might chew on. They can have this for hours of fun of chewing. I hope that this